Good morning, children. Welcome in today's class. Children, yesterday you have studied the chapter The Helpful Girl. So, today we are going to complete its writing part. So, first of all, take out your English notebook and start writing. First, we will write today's date 27/27 11/11 2020, that is 27th November 2020. Then write CW. Below that, chapter number 4, CH, C will be capital. Chapter number 4, and the name of the chapter is The, THE, The will be, T will be capital. THE, the, helpful. H will be capital. HEL, PFUL, helpful. Girl, G will be capital. GIRL, girl. The helpful girl. And then in the next line, give the heading, fill in the blanks. F will be capital. FILL, fill. IN, THE, blanks. BLANKS, blanks. So our heading is fill in the blanks. Write number 1 in the margin column. Children, all of you know what is meant by fill in the blanks. Means in a sentence, one blank space will be given and we have to write the correct word in that blank space. We have to write the appropriate word, correct word in that blank space, and you have to learn the spelling of that word. Okay. Number 1, Rima. R will be capital. REEMA, Rima. Was, WAS, was. VERY, very. Comma, VERY, again very. Dash, girl. Okay. Girl, GIRL, girl. So in the fill up, what word will come? Helpful. You have to learn the spelling of helpful. HELPFUL, helpful. After writing the word helpful, you will draw a straight line here. Okay. You will underline the word helpful. Understood, children? In the same manner, the second one. Write number 2 in the margin column. WHEN, when. SHE, she. WENT, went. TO2, SCHOOL, school, comma, SHE, she. Helped, HELPED, helped. Dash, underline, you will underline here. Dash, in, THE, the, CLASS, class, full stop. So what word will come here in the blank space? Everyone. EVERYONE, everyone. Okay, after writing the word, you will underline this word. Third one, WHEN, when. W will be capital, SHE, she. CAME, came. BACK, back. HOME, home. SHE, she. HELPED, helped. HER, her. You will draw a line here and in there you will write MOTHER, mother. You have to learn the spelling of mother as it is a fill up. Mother. AND, and. Again you will underline this word FATHER, father, and you have to learn the spelling of father. So in this third number, there are two fill-ups, mother and father. Okay. Now turn the page. Turn the page and write number 4. Capital W. WHEN, when. SHE, she. WENT, went. TO2, THE, the. PLAY, GROUND, playground, comma. SHE, she. PICKED, picked. UP, up. SMALL, small. Stones, STONES, stones. You will write this word, you will learn the spelling of this word, and you will underline this word as it is a fill up. Then AND, and. Then again, second fill up, two fill ups are there. THRONS, thrones. You will learn this spelling, and you will underline this word, and you will give a full stop after writing the spelling of thrones. Okay, children? Then next one, fifth. WHEN, when, capital W. SHE, she. WENT, went. FOR, for. Means A. You will write A. Picnic, PICNIC, picnic. SHE, she. TOOK, took. CARE, care. OF, off. HER, her. Friends, FRIENDS. You will underline this word as it is a fill up, and you will give full stop here, and you have to learn the spelling of friends. Okay, children? Then next one. Then number 6. Again capital W as it is the starting of the word. WHEN, when. SHE, she. WENT, went. TO2, means you will write A. SHOP, shop, comma. SHE, she. SELECTED, selected. Things, THINGS, things. You will underline this word, and you will learn the spelling as it is a fill up. CAREFULLY, carefully, and you will give a full stop. And now the last one, number 7. SHE, she. S will be capital. MADE, made. Greeting, GREETING, greeting. You will underline this word. CARDS, cards. You will underline this word also. Means the fill up is greeting cards. You have to learn the spelling. Greeting cards. FOR, for. HER, her. FRIENDS, friends. And you will give full stop. And as you know, your homework will be, you have to write one more time this CW, what we have written today, one more time as your homework. Children, I know this is a little bit long writing work. So Saturday you will be having holiday. All Saturdays you are having holiday. So you can write 3 or 4 fill in the blanks on Friday, and the remaining one you can write on Saturday, and you can learn the spellings on Sunday. Okay? Okay, children. Bye. Have a nice day.